So this is theme 2, which is continuous safety, security, and architecture. And for those of you that are confused, we have a new theme structure. Yeah, so just for the record. So this is the new theme 2, in case you wondered.
Thank you. Yes, so it's the new theme name, but more or less the same content as before. So we are now the continuous safety, security, and architecture theme. So the overview, we usually kind of present this as being this kind of focusing that most of the work we're doing in this theme, it's somehow related to the kind of balancing between trying to develop things more efficiently and effectively, more agile, while still keeping the kind of sufficient architectural quality, especially in the case of these critical systems. So looking at safety and security, for example. So it includes questions like how to work efficiently when we have more than just the code. So we have code and models and documentation and other evolving artifacts, and we want them to kind of evolve efficiently, but also being consistently over time. And another kind of another direction of the work is the kind of focusing on safety and security and how the assurance can be done more incrementally and dealing with product variants. And recently, I would say there's not a lot of work involving AI at the moment, but this is what we're looking at kind of adding in the future, how to deal with this when we need to consider the fact that the AI will be incorporated both in the actual system to be developed, but also to assist in the development. So we have a long list of projects at the moment. So rather than going through all of them one by one, I've tried to group them. So we have one kind of sub-theme or one area that has to do with assurance and regulatory compliance. So it's 2 quite long-running projects by now, and probably for the next sprint we will have these merged. So it's about safe ops and dealing with the kind of variability in these 4 dimensions, so standards and processes, products, and assurance case. It's also about the more continuous assurance and dealing with traceability between these different silos of legals and standards and security. So for this, there is at least one poster by Barbara Galina outside for you to look at and for her to talk to her about. And the other sub-theme is the architecture and modeling. So we have worked for quite some time now on the how to manage consistency between these evolving artifacts and how to deal with somehow combining the benefits of informal modeling and drawings with the benefits of more formal modeling. And recently we are studying how companies are communicating and documenting architectural changes. So we have one kind of long-running project on this, and we have a new PhD student just joining, so Ifra, who will be here with poster, and we also have a new postdoc in the coding. So Malvina is also here with poster, so please talk to her as well. And then we have an associated project which is related to how to model capabilities and missions of systems. And for this, we have a poster by Mälardalen outside. And finally, there is so Mick is not attending today, but we have a new project where we're recruiting a new PhD student on the topic of edge computing and how to partition functionality between these. So if you're interested, so for sure there's someone here or me who can set you up with a good communication channel to him. And that concludes the theme presentation.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.